Okay, so the last video I did was on Friday. Now it's Sunday. Um, it's still pretty early, so I'll probably go to the gym and do some stuff. But I just kind of want to make this to get my mind going, thinking about it, so I don't come home and be lazy. At least if I set some tasks that I'll do today, I'll come home and do them. Um, First off, I think a good basis is done for the two-handed weapon system, so I'm gonna put that as complete. We're gonna add the system to hold ammo and weapons today, and we're gonna fix the recoil system. Um, and then if we have time, I think we can add the grab option so you don't have to like hold it down. Um, there's some more tasks I thought about adding. I just can't remember them right now. Trying to think. I don't know. Um, there's definitely more stuff that needs to be added to the to-do list. I just can't think of them off the top of my head right now. A bunch of little bugs and stuff. I'm clean shaven now. Pretty proud of that. It took a while. And so show this guy quickly. Got that dirty little snack, a little danger noodle. And then I finished the rest of my sleeve, so there's no white space. Super stoked. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the gym, come back, cook dinner, and then I will start cracking away at these tasks. And hopefully, I think by the end of today, we can get a little system where maybe we can have some fun with it. Anyways, okay, so back from the gym, cooked up some dinner. Um, Turns out I forgot I made some plans tonight, so it's 3:04 right now, and I got plans at 6:30. So we'll see what I can do in 2 or 3 hours. I don't know if I'll work on it that long. I might have to, but I think I can at least get that. It's not that complicated. It should be like super easy. I always say that, but add hold to grab, that's an easy task. And the fixed recoil system, it might be hard because I don't know why. It just doesn't work. I was playing with the assault rifle, set the values high, but it doesn't seem to work at all. Another thing I just realized is my batteries are dead, and I bought batteries, but they're in my car, so I have to walk all the way downstairs, get my batteries, figure all that out. But yeah, so I don't think it'll be too hard to add the system for this, and I'm going to get started on that. Okay, so just a quick midway through update. I started adding the logic, which I didn't think there would be any, for the holster is what I'm going to call it. Like you put it in as a holster, I guess. One of the things I forgot that you'd have to deal with is the fact that you can push yourself around with the collision, so I have to make sure I ignore the colliders or else it just gets real fucking jank. Surprisingly a lot harder. It's half working right now, which just hurts my soul because like it's almost there, so I can figure out what's kind of wrong with it. Another few things I noticed, when you reload, sometimes it doesn't unhide the weapon correctly, or your controller. Don't really care right now, kind of just annoyed. So I'll show you what's going on here. Maximize on play. Okay, so go here, grab it. There's no validation to check if I'm holding it or not, so obviously when I bump into the gun, it goes into your holster. The rotation's not set correctly, not a big deal. But I'm holding it in my holster, and that's good. It's high because I'm sitting down, and when I grab it, it leaves it, and I can hold it, shoot it. Perfect, good times. But the thing is, it's not always consistent, and you can see that. I think it has something to do with that the whole gun's not in it, and some of it is out of it. That works. So if I do like that works great. What about like this? But if I go, see, it just kind of works, and it bugs me. So I don't know. It's a decent little starting point, and I'm kind of happy with that. But I'm not too sure why it's only kind of working. Well, there's null reference. That could be part of it. Oh, it's Steam VR null references. Perfect. Yeah. And I thought maybe it has something to do with this at capacity. Basically, the holster. I'm going to use the same script for the ammo. I just haven't added the code for it. But basically, is at capacity just means like you got a gun in it. It's at capacity. You can't put more stuff in it. Ammo could probably hold more. So obviously, the capacity is going to be different and how that behaves. yeah, so maybe this value here doesn't get set back correctly. I'm not sure, but it's quite frustrating. And I'm kind of just trial and erroring things and just hoping to get the right, it to behave the way I want it to. Anyways, all right, it's like 5:30. I got the grab working correctly, or like this thing where you put it in. I just need to set it up to work for the other things now, which should be relatively easy. These two are just a matter of comparing what they're supposed to be doing. And this one will be a little bit different, but shouldn't be that bad now that I have it all working. That's, I think, at a decent point for me to call it a day. I never finish what I expect to finish, but I'm still pretty happy with this. Um, yeah, I'm super, I don't know, I'm just not focused right now. I'm all off in my own little world, and I don't know, I'm just not being productive, so I'm just gonna stop now while I'm ahead and relatively happy with what I did. And I'll probably be able to crack away more of this tomorrow because I don't have to go to the gym and stuff. So after work, I can kind of just get into it. Anyways, peace.